Mastering English. Continuity emphasis with present perfect continuous tense. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the present perfect continuous tense, one of the cornerstones of the English language. Our primary focus is on a topic that many find intriguing: the emphasis on the continuity of the action. This is a crucial aspect of this tense, and mastering it can make your spoken and written English sound much more natural and fluent. Let's get started. Before we discuss the continuity of the action, let's recap what the present perfect continuous tense is. This tense is formed with the subject plus has been or have been, followed by the verb with an ing ending. For example, I have been reading a book. It's typically used to indicate an action that began in the past and is still continuing in the present. It also emphasizes the ongoing nature of this action, which we'll cover more in the next section. One key aspect of the present perfect continuous tense is that it often emphasizes the continuity of an action. This is its distinguishing factor from the present perfect simple tense. When you say, "I have been painting my house," it implies that you started painting at some point in the past and that you are possibly still painting, or just finished. Here, the emphasis is not only on the fact that the action, painting the house, occurred, but also on the ongoing process and duration of this action. It's all about the action's continuous nature. Let's look at some more examples to understand this better. 1. She has been cooking all morning. The emphasis is on the continuous action of cooking, and it indicates that she started cooking in the morning and is still doing it. 2. We have been driving for hours. Here, the duration and the ongoing nature of the driving action are highlighted. Remember, in both cases, the focus is not merely on the fact that the action occurred, but more on its ongoing nature and duration. Although the present perfect continuous tense is great for emphasizing continuity, it's not always the correct choice. Not every action that started in the past and continues in the present uses this tense. For instance, you wouldn't usually say, "I've been knowing her for 3 years." The correct form is, "I've known her for 3 years." So, while learning about emphasizing continuity with this tense, also remember its limitations. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the emphasis on the continuity of the action in the present perfect continuous tense. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of how this fascinating aspect of English grammar works. Remember, it's all about practice, so try to use this tense in your daily English conversations and writings. Thanks for joining me today, and keep up your excellent work in mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!